Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to cut a 4x4 with a handsaw. Now one of the tricks to this is making sure that you have a nice clean cut without going from one side to the other. The trick to that is making sure that you torque your wrist just a little bit, because as you're sawing you're going to want to twist it back towards yourself. You got to make sure that you keep it nice and straight, so it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable to try to keep that wrist straight. For this job I'm going to be using just a regular handsaw. So I've gone ahead and put two marks on this, one across the top and one across the side. That way I can keep checking myself to make sure that I'm delivering a nice clean cut without going to one side or the other. You want to make sure that you're up off the surface, because you're going to want to hold the blade at an angle and not flat. It goes a lot faster that way. So you're going to want to start cutting on the corner. When you're getting started, you're going to take your thumb and hold it right next to the saw blade. That way you can make sure that you're getting right on your line. Then you're just going to work yourself back, creating a groove. After you have a little bit of groove, you're going to just start going back and forth with your saw. Now, using a handsaw isn't the fastest way to cut a 4x4, but it does leave a pretty smooth edge. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.